Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can make $7 per video easily with GoLogin. So guys, this is, as you can see here, just what you have to do. Go to this website, as you can see, GoLogin YouTube Referral program. Just when you make video guys about GoLogin, or you can make tutorial about GoLogin, what you have to do is just mention on GoLogin and earn money, and you can earn money. It's just simply say GoLogin is the best browse for your multi accounting, and you can get money easily. Just for example, submit for payment. What you have to do guys, write your email here and submit your GoLogin video, and write your name and your email and full name here. Full name, as you can see here, my name is Adam, for example, Adam. What you have to do guys, write your YouTube video URL, and if you want to add new video, just like here, and choose your payment. You can use PayPal or Wise or crypto. And after that guys, if you have PayPal, write your email or PayPal, and after that just click submit, and you can earn $7 easily with this offer. And I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.